I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my book, Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry. The concept rediscover is kind of very important. We'll do find HCF between given numbers. We have three big numbers with us: 840, 360, and 264. Now, most of you know there are a couple of ways of finding highest common factor. One of them is to find all the factors and figure out which is the highest common. The other one, prime factorization, making a Venn diagram and then finding it out. Well, those methods may take a lot of time, especially if you are working with big numbers like I have taken here. So, in this case, what can you do? For higher classes, we are normally working with big numbers, right? Okay. So, here is a neat strategy which we use. It is Euclid division. 840, 360, 264, we will divide one number by the other. It's a special kind of division, so observe how do we divide. So we have 840, the largest of all. We are going to divide this by 360. So I'm writing 360 here. 360 goes 2 times 720. What you get here is 0 to 120. So now 120 is a number to be divided by 360, which we cannot divide. So we divide 360 by 120. So that's the way it continues. So we'll now write 360 here and divide this by 120, which goes evenly by 3, right? So 3 times 120, 3 times 120 is 360. And so what we get here is 0 as the remainder. So basically, we have done highest common factor between the two big numbers 360 and 840. So let me rewrite this in short form as highest common factor between 840 and 360 is equal to 120. But we have another number to deal with, which is 264. So we'll continue with 264 and 120, right? Similar division. So we'll now write 264 and divide this by 120. Okay. 120, we can go 2 times, which is 240. And what do you get? We get 4 and 2, 24. So we'll divide 120 by 24. Now 120 when divided by 24, it goes evenly with 5, correct? So you get 0 remainder. So now we find that 24 is HCF between the previous two and a new number. And therefore, we can write down that the HCF of all the three numbers, which are 840, 360, and 264, is equal to 24. Do you see that? So this type of division is an excellent method. Most people have forgotten about it, and that is what we call rediscover algebra and trigonometry. So in the book, you'll find many ways of solving efficiently using the forgotten methods. Let's revive, learn, and do much better. That will give you a greater and a better foundation for higher algebra. Send an email or contact us on our website globalmathinstitute.com for more details about this book. Thank you and have a great day.